Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back with me again. So today I will give you a tutorial. In my video, I did tutorial how to make a simple animation using Hitfilm. Why I use Hitfilm? Because it's a free software. It seems like uh, Adobe Premiere Pro or like something equal like that. Uh, The technique is we're gonna use the keyframing or for so the technique is framing. I forget the name keyframing maybe. Okay, first you open your fit film first. This is the based on application, so you must download first the application in fxhome.com and you. Okay, sorry, the video is paused because some problem. Okay, if you already download your hit film in FX Home, you just open it and we're gonna make the animation. You create new first in the project. With the create new is here. You create new first, and I will use the 1080 Full HD, 60 FPS, and then we just click OK. Okay, okay, done. And then you make a folder. You make a folder in here and then name it asset. Okay, done. And then you export your asset to Hitfilm. I will use let me search the image first. I'll use this image, this, and then this is the image of the cow, and then you just enter it to the asset, and then make again the folder, name it background, and then composite, sorry, make it composite. Okay, next you make the composite shot and name it content composite. Like this. Okay, change the position of the camera first on right here. It's okay, and then you enter this composite to the folder is for make it tidy. Next you click this new layer and then click plane, new plane. This is for the background, and then the color is this, and we click OK. Next enter the asset, enter the plane to the background, and then we're gonna enter the asset like this. Change the position of the plane in the bottom like this, and then this. Now like this. So you just combine it, this head and the body like this. Yeah, you just make it good. And then I want to make the head is go up and down, and don't forget change the layer dimension to be 3D plane. Okay, all to be 3D plane, just like this. And then we want to make this head being up and down. The how to do it, set the position first in the corner of the background. In here in parasapi1.png, we go to transform and then click the position and the orientation, and then the button sapi1.png we gonna doing same like that, the position check and the orientation. then you in the shortcut like this, and then this the composite shot is only 30 minutes, 30 seconds, uh, and then you set the what position. Example, I will set it for 3 or maybe 2 second. 2 second. I'm gonna make the para sapi.png is like this, but not this. Orientation. We make like this. Okay, like this. So the animation will be like this. Like this. Okay, and then we're gonna what set it for being not too long but not too slow too. Okay, so per 2 seconds, copy, and then if in here uh, 2, so we're gonna set it in 4. So you just add the multiple times. Sample 4, here 0 0, and copy again. 4 8 6 8 8, and then 10 12 12 16 is 18 20 20 20 22 24 24 26 28 8, then done. The head of the cow will be like this. You're gonna play it from the up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and down. Like that, repeating time. So this this is how to make a simple animation using Hitfilm. Next, we're gonna make the body move a little bit. Wait, uh, enough like this uh, for the animation. We are animationing the head for is up and down. And next, go to the editor, change on the composite and editor. This is the function of the folder. We're gonna the folder is make it this content all tidy. We're gonna click this composite, and then we can enter it on the editor. If you want, you just add the sound you can get from YouTube or Enfanto audio for the call for the audio of the call, and then we can export it to file, and then we just click where we're gonna export. Example, call animation. Continue. Starting. We just wait for the uh, animation is done. Okay, we're gonna pause it first. Okay, so the exporting is done, and then we can watch it in our file explorer. I will change display capture. Okay, now we gonna setting first this. You can watch in our this videos and this animation, and this is the result like this. It's a repeating up and down animation. Okay, maybe only that from in my tutorial this time. Say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.